also correct, and it starts with letter K. Now kids, tell me, what is this object? Knife! Yes, you are correct. This is a knife, and this is very sharp, and this can cut anything. Kids, tell me, what is the sound of K? Ka. It is correct. Oh wow! Kids, see, the king is arrived. So to see how much we have learned, letter K. So tell, what is the sound of letter K? Ka. Correct. I am the key, and I am the key of king. And I start from letter K, and my sound is Ka. Hello kids, I am a kettle. I start with letter K, and my sound is Ka. And I keep some warm tea in my petal, means my stomach. I am a kangaroo. I start with letter K, and my sound is Ka.
Kids, I am K. K. So many words are there from letter K. Now let's learn how to write me. Letter K.
Good morning, dear kids. Today I will tell you how you will write cursive letter K. Cursive letter K. How you will write cursive letter K. Okay. So first of all, what you will do? आपने क्या करना है? हमने यूज करना है दिस लाइन. ओके, हियर. तो आप इस लाइन, ऊपर वाले रेड लाइन को टच करोगे. कम डाउन एंड नाउ आई विल टेक इट like this. R for rabbit. We will make it. This is the K. Cursive K. Again, I will tell you. Slowly you will go and touch this red line. This red line, upper red line. Okay. And after that you will come down slowly, and you will turn on here, and this you will make a like R for rabbit. And after that you will go slowly touch the red line.